Hey guys, are you wondering just how high off the ground that your e-trike rack is going to be after it's attached to your car? That's something a lot of you have been asking about and kind of curious about, because it kind of depends on, what the angle is going to be for those ramps and how hard it's going to be for you to push your trike and get it up there. So I wanted to show you how you can figure that out. Let's step on over here. If we take a measurement from the center of the hitch tube, which is the center of your receiver, and come up to the deck of the rack, it's 8 inches. And just so you know, it's 12 inches all the way to the very top of the rack. Now with that information, what you'll want to do is measure the distance from the ground to the center of your receiver hitch, and mine is about 17 inches. That tells me that 17 inches plus the 8 inches we know is the difference in height there. This rack is going to be about 25 inches off the ground. And we can confirm that by just coming over here and taking a quick measure, 25 inches. Now, because of our ramps are 48 inches long for this rack, the 3670, they're also 48 inches long for the 3475 rack. With that, you can do the math if you like to do math, and you'll figure out that the angle of this ramp right here is 31 degrees. Now, if you don't like doing math, here's a tip for you. If you go out there and use a website, use some AI technology like ChatGTP or Grok over on X, and there's several others, you can just type it in and say, hey, my deck height is this, my ramp is 48 inches long, what's the degree angle? And it'll spit out an answer for you. So then you'll know just what kind of angle we're looking at here. Now keep in mind, I have a larger truck, I've got 20-inch tires. If you have a smaller vehicle, maybe you have a sedan or a smaller SUV or even a smaller truck or van or whatever you're using, it could be considerably lower for you, and it's going to be a lot easier to push your trike up. I can still get the trike up onto my rack without any problems, but only you know what your abilities are. Just make sure that you're able to do it.